Canada's Work Permit Overhaul, what every international student needs to know. Canada's immigration policies have recently undergone significant changes, affecting work permit options for international students and professionals. With updates to intra-company transfer work permits and post-graduation work permit eligibility, it's important for those seeking to work in Canada to stay informed. Topics discussed in today's video update. Canada Work Permit changes for intra-company transfers. Post-graduation work permit updates. And we'll also talk about Canada Work Visa and wage considerations. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Stay informed with the latest immigration news. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share our videos on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X with your loved ones. Let's resume the video and tell you about Canada Work Permit changes for intra-company transfers. Starting October 2024, Canada has tightened the rules for intra-company transfers. This Canada Work Permit requires proof of specialized knowledge and a guaranteed position upon return to the home country. Remote work arrangements will face higher scrutiny. Let's now tell you about post-graduation work permit updates. For those aiming to work in Canada post-graduation, IRCC has updated language proficiency requirements starting November 2024. The PGWP now also aligns with labor market needs in fields like healthcare and STEM. Are you wondering about Canada Work Visa and wage considerations? Wages for all Canada Work Visa categories, including ICT, must meet or exceed local prevailing rates. Special agreements under free trade agreements also maintain flexibility in wage currencies but emphasize meeting Canadian standards. Conclusion of today's video update. Staying informed about the latest Canada Work Permit regulations is vital for international students and professionals. These updates reflect Canada's evolving labor market demands, making it crucial to meet new requirements and align with sector-specific needs for successful employment. Our video ends here. Don't forget to comment below and share your opinion with us. Thanks for watching today's video update.